All right, so one of the interesting pieces to all of this is how do we look at it, right? Do we look at it as, oh my gosh, I used to be able to see kids all the time and it's horrible, right? Or do we look at it like, this is really, I'm going to figure out how to teach this way, right? This is a different learning opportunity for me. And one of the things that I think is helpful in kind of engaging that second view is this graphic right here. This is from A.J. Giuliani and some of the research that he references in his distance learning exam and his distance learning course. And this is fascinating when you think about interactive. So there's sort of two rows there: interactive and non-interactive. And then you think about multimodal learning, right? What are the ways in which you can give kids different ways of learning things, right? Well, here's what happens, right? If it stays interactive and it's multimodal, right? Basic skills go up 9 percentile points. All right. If it's non-interactive, still in basic skills, it's non-interactive and it's multimodal, it goes up 21 percentile points. Okay. Jump over to the higher level skills, okay, and notice what happens. Interactive multimodal, okay, so that's the upper sort of right corner, is a 32 percentile increase for students. Okay? Meaning that when we come up with real life simulations, modeling, collaboration with peers, using multiple resources, getting them in that active mode, active learning situation, are huge changes, huge growth in their learning compared to the other ways in which we might have been doing it, or unimodal, or we tend to sometimes think about the non-interactive as that's going to be horrible and nobody can learn anything with non-interaction. I think this graph or this graphic actually shows that there's a lot of possibilities for what's coming up, and how we manipulate those different modalities and how we utilize those different modalities depending on the students is really critical. So it's an opportunity, not necessarily an obstacle.